I'm so excited. When I tell you that I have been waiting all day for this, we're gonna unbox it together. So first thing, like, I didn't even clean up my studio. I haven't done my hair today. I have just been waiting around, besides also working. But I've been waiting around for this. So we're gonna open it up. This is some props that I have ordered from a brand called Marked Props. They did a massive sale and I am so excited to show you what I have. All of their stuff was about 90% off, which is insane because these props are regularly like $100 to $150 per prop. Some of these were around $10, $15 each. So it was just too good of a deal to pass up. Oh, they're individually wrapped too. So I'll set this down and we're gonna start. So I ordered 30 of them. The shipping ended up being almost $100, but when these are almost $100 each and the shipping itself was $100, but they're going for like 15, it's worth it. I totaled it out and it ended up being around $15 per block. Oh my gosh. And they are really good quality. These are MDF. You can spray paint these. Like they're not like the foam where if you hit it, it will ding or dent. These are solid. So there is the first one. Oh, it's so cute. They were out of a lot of the white props because this was such a good sale that everyone was going and buying some. So some of them are colored, but like I said, you could easily spray paint these. Oh, it's so cute. It does have like a little thing on the top, which I probably could sand down, but if I'm photographing it straight on, then I wouldn't even notice it. So there's the second one. Ooh, that one's cute too. I love this color. Cute. This is another flower. Oh, I'm glad I ordered 2 of those. I didn't realize I ordered 2 of these. Well, cute. Now I have 2 of those too. I have to hurry because my AC turns on and then I can't even hear myself talk over the AC, but it is 100 degrees today, so I gotta hurry. I ordered so many, I don't even remember what I had placed an order for. So hopefully this is the right order, but that is cute. I love that. Oh, there goes the AC. I think I bought every single prop that they had in the store, minus a couple. Oh, cute. And here's another small one. Ooh, this is gonna be a cute one. I already know it. Oh, it is so cute. Oh my goodness, and it's huge. This thing was probably like originally $150 and I probably got it for 20. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So stinking cute. Can't even see my head in this video, but it's fine. These ones weren't in boxes, so hopefully they're not all destroyed. Nope, they are perfect. Cute little triangle. Oh, and this is one that I was really excited about. Cute little arch. That one's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, I'm gonna move this stuff around because now it's a mess. Then we'll get to the other ones. Okay, now for the big box. Oh my goodness. Oh look, here's everything that I ordered. Oh, and they marked it all off too as they prepped it, so I should have everything here. Okay, this one is a cutie little stairs. Ooh, this is a cute one. It's like little bubbles. Can be used so many different ways too. Oh, I love it. And this one is perfect. I don't see anything wrong with that one. Ah, so cute. This feels like Christmas. It's 100 degrees out, but it's Christmas, y'all. Oh, it's so cute. Oh yeah, the little top fell off. But again, if I'm photographing something on it, then it's gonna hide it. These ones, I'm pretty sure these small discs were like $5. Oh wait, this one is cube. Oh, it's adorable. Also perfect. Cute. I was afraid that all of these would be in a box together, just floating around and clanking together, but they were all individually wrapped and packaged, so Oh, love that. So I got 3 small cubes. One in white, one in teal, and one in blue. They were cheap. So this is a single spring. Small spring in salmon. Did I really get 2 of those? What the heck? Here's another one. So there we go. Now I have 2 of those and 2 of all the other ones as well. Oh, I haven't opened a flower yet. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. So I have the little and then the large petals. It's funny because it's not like I went on the website and saw what all of these look like, but they just look so much better in person. Yes. Okay, look at that. There's the small one and the big one. So you can do like, oh, that will be so cute with some fun products. So I did intentionally get this size. A lot of these round ones can be purchased in the foam, and then if you do get it wet, you can order a new one, but like it's good to just have like a really solid base. Oh my goodness. Look how huge that is. That's what she said. Look at it. Oh, and it's perfect. There's no dings or scratches. There is some dirt, but oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited for that one. But it's a white one. Oh, it's the platform. It's another like pill-shaped platform. Holy smokes. I didn't really look because half the time on these websites they are in centimeters instead of inches. But this thing is 12, maybe not 12, 9.5. That's large. That is a large cube. Picture frame block. Ooh, this is the one that has a hole in the middle, like a frame. Oh yeah. It's so great. I love it. I'm so excited. While this was a large purchase, I do think it is important to invest in your business because it will pay you back. Another little just pink platform. Oh, and it looks good. No dings or dents. Perfect. So total, I probably ended up spending like $400. From some of the other prop places, that is 1, a steal, but 2, I'm going to be able to use this for so many projects now, and it's worth it. Oh, it's an arch. Look how fun that is. Let's go with this one first. This is the classic arch in yellow, which, oh, so I have a cubed arch and then this is a classic arch. Oh my gosh, I almost want to buy more. Wait, that's pink. Oh, there's 2 in here. Okay. The hole. Very cute. And here's the arch, okay. Oh, that's so fun. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a pain in the butt to clean up. Okay, this last one I'm very excited about because this one on a few other brand websites that I have looked at have been, I wanna say this one's like $125 or $150, which I have already said that about a lot of them, but this thing is huge. I should have bought 2. Look at this. My boxes are falling everywhere. Oh, it is gorgeous. I'm just so excited for these. I don't know if you can see all of them. These are gonna be really awesome for my brands, for anyone who is looking for some creative, colorful product photography that is looking for something maybe a little bit unique. If you are looking to upgrade your product images and you want props like this, highly recommend marked props. Again, there are several where I'm going to have to touch them up a little bit. Because they were 90% off, I'm like, you know, it's kind of worth it. This collection right here probably would have been easily $3,000 and I spent maybe $400. So if you have the chance, jump in on that sale. If not, investing into this, I would say is worth it. It is going to get you higher paying clients. It is going to elevate your photography. It's going to set you apart from the people who are maybe just getting into brand photography and they don't use a whole lot of props in their images. It's just going to take you to that next level, which I'm always trying to do in my business. I'm always trying to look into the things that is going to take me to that next level. Anyways, thank you for hanging out with me while I unbox all of my beautiful new props. And like and subscribe if you want to see what kind of content I'm going to create with these. And I'll see you in the next one.